What's up, guys? It's Brandon, and again, I hope everybody is staying healthy, staying together, and staying home. But so today, what I want to give you guys is a exercise option to isolate the quads. And here's some thoughts on this. Generally speaking, for hypertrophy, a seated leg extension machine at the gym is probably your best option to get after the quads. Just like a prone leg curl machine is going to be great for building the hamstrings to isolate those muscles. But for most of us, we don't have that option right now. We don't have access to a gym. We don't have those machines. So you need ways to be able to target those muscles at home. And some of the benefits from these type of movements are you have balance, you have proprioception, you have different stabilization, you're targeting different muscles. So there is a lot of value, and you can look at this time as an opportunity to work on different things. So one of the exercises that we can use to isolate the quads is a sissy squat. And we can do this a few different ways. For most people, the full sissy squat is going to be probably too hard of an exercise to start with. So we want to modify this. So what we'll do to start is we'll use a chair. And the perspective that I'm going to bring to this is awareness of your pelvis. So when we're working a sissy squat, we want to be aware that our pelvis stays underneath us and that we don't drive into an anterior tilt. So if I start on the balls of my feet, I want to think about my pelvis like a bowl, or think of my waistband, and I want to think about trying to tilt it this way and not spill, okay, as opposed to dumping this way, and then I'm just bending into my low back. So I'm going to use the chair as a point of reference, and I'm going to drive down or reach to the chair, letting my knees come forward. So you're going to find the sweet spot. My hips are underneath me. I'm going to drive forward. I'm a little bit too far away. So I'm going to drive forward, and I'm going to use the chair, and then I'm going to drive back out. Okay, again, balls of your feet, let the knees come forward. Think about loading the quads. Come forward, tap, and drive back up. Again, up. Again, when you come down, you don't want to just extend into your low back. Okay, so we can progress that by taking a lower point. So again, I'm going to control myself down. I'm going to use the chair. I want to think about my pelvis being underneath me. Right there, I didn't have it. Okay, so again, come down. Back up top. Up top. And up. So you can use the chair, a couch, something as a reference point to be able to drop into. Progressively get lower and lower and lower until you can take that movement all the way to the ground. And then what we can do is start working eccentrics, where I'm going to try to get my knees all the way to the ground and then reset it, stand up, do it again. I haven't worked this movement in a while, so I'm a little bit rusty. Let's see if I can do it. Right, strong. Boom. Stand it up again. Boom. And up. You can do those, then we can build. Eventually, you want to be able to start to work the concentric aspect of that movement and drive up out of it.